Let me show you how you can change the items to a larger size in a lot of settings. Also, for example, in text messages and stuff like that. So as you can see, I actually have quite large size for all the text here, and it's actually very visible and actually looks pretty good. So we can actually go down to the display settings. In the settings, swipe down and click this screen zoom. Let's click that and make sure it's basically to the maximum. So as you can see, if I decrease, all the items become way smaller. Also, all the messages, for example, in chat messages or SMS messages, again, you'll see they become by default like this, which is very small. So if you do not have the best vision, really you can increase it almost like this. So yeah, and basically the screen scaling basically changes on all items and they become much larger. Also, unlike with the text size increase, if you go here, font size and text, we can also adjust the font here. But if you adjust the font only to large size, some of the items actually kind of break up and they are not as good looking. So I really suggest to use this screen zoom instead, as it's actually super good. Anyway, I'm really trying to grow this channel. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you and good luck.